Are you feel comfort? Are you feel comfortable, Libby? There are many people think TB soaking with cool water. I show you. There is a hot and cool water. Baby monkey will die with cool water. Okay, everyone. Hot, cool, warm. And baby monkey in the water will crying when he feel not comfortable. And baby monkey Libby very enjoy in the warm water because she is feel comfortable. If she is feel comfort. Okay everyone. Okay. PDP. If you feel enjoy. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye for now. Bye bye. Libby, bye bye. Tayo, Pio. Tayo. Ayo. Ayo. Entah serah. She is feel comfortable here. He no want to move from here. Yeah. Good. Sorry, my bathroom very dirty.